Penguins may look cute and clumsy on land, but underwater, they're some of the fastest and most skilled hunters in the animal kingdom. Some penguins can dive deeper than 500 meters, survive temperatures below -40 degrees Celsius, and recognize their lifelong partners by voice alone. These incredible birds have evolved amazing abilities that continue to surprise scientists. And the final fact in this video may completely change the way you think about penguins forever. Let's discover 10 amazing facts about penguins you probably didn't know. Penguins are flightless birds found almost entirely in the southern hemisphere. There are 18 living species, ranging from the tiny little blue penguin to the impressive emperor penguin. Although most people associate penguins with Antarctica, many species actually live in warmer climates, including South Africa, South America, Australia, and New Zealand. Every species has adapted perfectly to its environment. Now, let's begin with our first amazing fact. Fact number 10. Not all penguins live in Antarctica. One of the biggest misconceptions about penguins is that they all live on icy Antarctica. In reality, only a few species spend their entire lives there. Many penguins live on rocky islands, temperate coastlines, and even near warm beaches. The Galapagos penguin is especially remarkable because it lives close to the equator, where temperatures are much warmer. Penguins have adapted to a wide variety of habitats across the southern hemisphere. Wherever they live, swimming is their greatest strength. Fact number 9. Penguins fly through the water. Penguins cannot fly through the air. But underwater, they almost seem to fly. Their wings have evolved into powerful flippers that allow them to glide effortlessly through the ocean. Some species can swim at speeds of over 35 kilometers per hour. Their streamlined bodies reduce drag, making them excellent hunters. To fish, squid, and krill, a hunting penguin is an incredibly fast predator. Fast swimming also helps them dive astonishingly deep. Fact 8. Emperor penguins can dive more than 500 meters. The emperor penguin is the deepest diving bird on Earth. Scientists have recorded dives reaching more than 500 meters. Some dives last over 20 minutes. Special adaptations allow emperor penguins to slow their heart rate, store oxygen efficiently, and tolerate enormous underwater pressure. These remarkable abilities help them catch fish in the dark waters beneath Antarctic ice. Life in Antarctica is challenging, but penguins have found clever ways to survive. Fact number 7. Penguins huddle together to stay warm during the Antarctic winter. Temperatures can drop below -40 degrees Celsius while powerful winds make conditions even harsher. To survive, emperor penguins gather into enormous groups called huddles. Thousands of birds stand shoulder to shoulder, sharing body heat. Penguins constantly rotate positions, allowing every bird to spend time in the warmer center before moving back to the colder outside. This teamwork allows them to survive one of the harshest climates on Earth. But perhaps the most heartwarming fact involves penguin families. Fact number 6. Many penguins form strong pair bonds. Many penguin species form long-term breeding partnerships. Each breeding season, they recognize one another using unique calls. After returning from long hunting trips, parents locate their mate and chick among thousands of nearly identical penguins by listening for familiar voices. Their hearing and memory are truly remarkable. For many species, raising a chick requires perfect teamwork between both parents. So far we've learned that not all penguins live in Antarctica. They fly through the water, dive deeper than almost any other bird, survive freezing temperatures by working together, and recognize their partners by voice. But the next 5 facts are even more incredible. Did you know some penguins propose with pebbles, others drink seawater, and one species can survive months without eating? Fact number 5. Penguins sometimes propose with pebbles. Among Gentoo penguins, finding the perfect pebble can be surprisingly important. During the breeding season, a male may search for a smooth, attractive stone and present it to a female. If she accepts it, she often places it in the nest they are building together. These pebbles help keep eggs above the cold, wet ground and improve the nest stability. While not every penguin species behaves this way, this charming tradition has earned Gentoo penguins a reputation as some of the most romantic birds in the animal kingdom. Building nests is important, but finding fresh water is another challenge. Fact number 4. Penguins can drink seawater. Unlike humans, penguins can safely drink seawater. They have a special gland located just above their eyes that removes excess salt from their bodies. The concentrated salt is then released through their beaks or noses. This remarkable adaptation allows penguins to stay hydrated even while spending weeks at sea. Without these salt glands, life in the ocean would be impossible. Raising a chick requires incredible teamwork. Fact number 3: Penguin parents share parenting duties. For many penguin species, raising a chick is a full-time job for both parents. While one parent stays to protect the egg or chick from the freezing cold, the other travels long distances across the ocean to find food. When the hunting parent returns, the two switch roles. This careful teamwork continues for weeks or even months until the chick is strong enough to survive on its own. Without this cooperation, very few chicks would reach adulthood. Some parents make an even greater sacrifice. Fact number 2: Emperor penguins can go months without eating. Male emperor penguins perform one of the greatest parenting sacrifices in the animal kingdom. After the female lays a single egg, she leaves for the ocean to feed. The male carefully balances the egg on top of his feet, covering it with a warm fold of skin called the brood pouch. For about 2 months, he stands through freezing temperatures and powerful Antarctic winds without eating. During this time, he can lose nearly half of his body weight. His only goal is to keep the egg warm until it hatches. And now, our final fact shows why penguins are so important to science. Fact number 1: Penguins help scientists understand climate change. Penguins are considered indicator species. This means changes in their populations can reveal important information about the health of the environment. Scientists monitor penguin breeding success, migration patterns, and food supplies to understand how oceans are changing. Rising temperatures, melting sea ice, and shifts in fish populations all affect penguin colonies. By studying penguins, researchers gain valuable insights into the future of Earth's oceans and climate. Protecting penguins also helps protect entire marine ecosystems. Penguins are far more than adorable birds in tuxedos. They are expert swimmers, devoted parents, incredible survivors, and important guardians of ocean health. From diving hundreds of meters below the surface to surviving Antarctica's brutal winters, penguins continue to amaze scientists with their intelligence, teamwork, and resilience. Which penguin fact surprised you the most? Did you know some penguins can drink seawater, or that males can fast for 2 months while protecting an egg? Tell us in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more amazing animal facts every week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time as we uncover more incredible secrets from the animal kingdom.